All right, here we go. Here's for the next video. I'm going to do my bronzer, which will shape my face, and my blush. So I've got my blushes in this the top tray of my little black box. I'm going to take my bronzer first right here, tap off, and I'm going to go right from the top of my ear down this way on the edge of that bone. Not in the crease down here, but on the edge of that bone, because getting the bottom of that bone is what actually creates that illusion. Do you see the dark and how this cheek looks smaller than the other one? Tap off on the other side, do the same thing. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to do my forehead because I have a very large forehead. And so I'm going to do my forehead, bring that down into here, and then go down on the edge of my jawbone to create that same shadowy look so that it looks a little bit thinner. So you can see the difference in the way that the shape of my face looks. All right, same brush again. I'm going to take, now that I've done the bronzer shape, I'm going to take my blush color, and I'm just going to go with this blush number 1 right now. A little bit on there, tap off. A little bit of a reddish color. This one's called Alive. And I'm actually going to add a little bit of the peachy right here on top of that. So I didn't want too peachy of a color. I wanted a little bit that Alive, Awake. So there you go. There you see the color that I created. There you go. Got it? All right, so that is shaping my face with bronzer and adding a little color to my cheeks. Oops, just scraped my thing. So I'm going to put my little black box. I've got this right here, just kind of showed you my little black box, my shadows, and then I set the tray of the blushes in it, and then I can close it up. If I want to add a little bit of a highlight, I've got number 6, the highlighter. And I can just go like that. You want to be careful though, if you have too many lines, you don't want to, maybe you don't use any highlighter, or if you do, use very little so that it doesn't draw attention to those lines, because shimmers can tend to draw that attention. All right, so my next video will be on my lips, and then our last thing before we close will be mascara. I'll probably do lips and mascara together. Finishing touches, and then the 10 Years Younger spray. So I'll see you in a moment with the next section of the video. Be amazing.